Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode. Today, we're just going to be talking about the future of the channel and what I plan on doing as far as, the future of the content that I might be making. I say farewell for now because the channel itself is a big time sink. It takes a decent amount of time to get the episodes ready, put all the content together, edit everything, publish, do all the publishing that I have to do. And then, I have to manage the comments and anything else that comes through. And I love making the videos and I enjoy making the content. But for the most part, the community stayed pretty small, which is nice. And everybody's pretty chill. And I think that's a really good attitude for everyone. But I don't really see it growing much. And also don't really see me adding too much more to the community than I've already added. I've done videos on how to start up your printers. I've done videos on how to use different types of supporting methods with Lychee. I've worked with Tango. I haven't done much with Chi2Box, but honestly, I don't work with Chi2Box much, so it's not even something I would have too much to talk about. And in that reference, I think I've done what I kind of wanted to do with the channel, and that's not a sad thing. This is actually a good moment. The channel has been around for 2 years, a decent amount of content. It's not going anywhere. I'm going to keep the channel on for anyone who wants to watch any of this stuff. It's going to be there forever, including this ridiculous video. And that's it. I might publish a video or two here and there down the road. Maybe some cool stuff if I figure out some tricks or tips, things that I want to share. I do have 2 more videos that are coming before the end of December, so you will get some additional videos there. I have a review and my opinions on the M7 Pro, and I'm also going to talk about Lychee Slicer's new auto supporting function and how I actually think they might have actually done something that works for a change. Now, as far as slicer tutorials and stuff, if you're a Chi2Box user, there's tons of stuff out there. They make them themselves. Lychee Slicer has Derek. He's a little monotone, but he's does some pretty good tutorials out there. And as far as Tango, I don't think they have any actual people working for them doing tutorials actively, but the company themselves had me do a couple of videos, and they themselves have quite a lot of videos explaining how to use their software. Not necessarily in the most intuitive way, but it is there if you need help. Of course, like I said, my information will stay there for anybody who wants it. It'll be available. I'm going to be spending some more time working on my audio channel. And for those of you who haven't heard of it, it's called the Audible Exchange. I'll put a link in the description of the video for anyone that wants to check it out. It's kind of reignited my passion for writing music again, so I've kind of gotten into that. That's been a big time sink for me, and kind of been one of the things that pushed me to kind of stop making more content for one channel and move over to the other. So that's pretty much it. I'm not going to disappear forever. I do still plan on making a video or two. And like I said, I have a couple of videos coming by the end of the month. It's been a lot of fun. I appreciate all the comments. I appreciate everybody who's contributed. I appreciate all the likes. And I really appreciate the fact that the community has always been very chill. No one's been really hateful. I've never gotten a lot of arguments. Maybe that's why my channel never really blew up. Because we didn't have any heated arguments going on. Everything was always very civilized. People just asked a lot of questions. And I think I helped quite a lot of people get through a lot of difficult stuff when it comes to resin printing, which can be really tricky for folks starting out. So, I tell you what, if you are still struggling, please check out the channel. I've made hundreds of videos. I'm sure that there's something here that can help you through your struggles. And if not, I'm sure you'll find it on YouTube through some of the other folks that have made some wonderful tutorials over the years. Again, thank you folks for supporting me over the 2 years that I've had the channel. And again, happy holidays to everyone. Thanks for watching, and farewell for now.